A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, in today's session, we are continuing with Unit 1 of your Part B syllabus. Subject is Typography for 11th grade. In this unit, the unit name is Introduction to Typography. Unit name is Introduction to Typography. So, we will discuss what do we mean by typography. Basically, typography is the concept of typewriter technology, and generally this technique is used for processing of data or for producing of characters. Like you are looking in a court, in court a number of typists are sitting. When they are start typing, a machine is kept in front of them. When they are pressing any alphabet, a strip will be moved to upside and it will print the same text on a paper. So the technique of typing the letter with the help of typewriter technology is known as typography. According to the history of typography, it started in 1714. 1714 was the year in that first typewriter was prepared by Mr. Henry Mill. It's important question. First typewriter was prepared by Mr. Henry Mill, but it could not get the proper success. There are a number of huge changes required. So typewriter technology started in 1714. Afterward, 1829 year came. In that year, the development of typewriter technology started increasing, and the bird typographer, the owner of bird typographer was W.A. Bird. The person W.A. Bird who developed the new typewriter technology that was known as bird typographer, but it was accidented in a fire and the model fully spoiled. After this technology, then the year came that was 1868. It was the year in which the actual typewriter technology started. In this year, the first practical typewriter was prepared in which we can work practically, and it was prepared by the scientist. The name is Christopher Lantham Solage. The developer name is Christopher Lantham Solage, and the person Christopher Lantham Solage is also known as father of typewriter technology. He is also known as the inventor or father of typewriter technology. Afterward, in 1874, approx after 6 years, there was huge changes in the technology, and the concept was developed by Remington and Sons. A machine was developed that was working as a sewing machine. It means the technology of typewriter get exchanged. In this technology, the concept of capital letter came in market. A user will be able to type the capital letter with the help of typewriter. Afterward, 1878 was the year when the new technique for typing launched. The technique name was touch typing or touch typewriter. It is also known as 8-finger typewriting method, in which left hand 4 fingers, right hand 4 fingers, and thumbs were used for spacebar. The arrangement of finger was made for the purpose of increasing the speed of typewriting. There was a concept that was followed in typewriter technology, that was touch typewriter. It came in 1878 and it was developed by Charles McGreen. Who was the developer of touch typing technology? The developer was Charles McGreen. It came in 1878. Afterward, in 1896, the first agency of typewriter came in India, and the agency was opened by company Remington and Sons. This agency was opened by Remington and Sons company. They had developed the technology and they have started their business in India. Now the technology also came, typing method also came. Now they need to improve the technology day by day. So the problem with the machine was the weight and the size. The machine was very heavy in weight. It was very complicated to bring the machine from one office to another office. So in 1925, what happened? The new technology came that was known as noiseless typewriter technology. In that, the weight of machine was getting reduced and it became portable machine now. We can easily port from one office to the another office. Sorry, it became the noiseless technology. Noiseless technology means in 1925 they developed the machine in which the noise was reduced on the time of printing. In 1931 the technology came for reducing the weight, but in 1925 the technology came for reducing the noise, and the noise was reduced for the purpose of continuous work in an office environment. Otherwise it will spoil the environment of office. Officer will not be able to work properly. So noiseless typewriter came in 1925. After just 6 years, in 1931 the new technology came, that was portable typewriter. Now it was easy to bring the machine from one location to another location. It was a portable machine now. We can directly carry the machine in any office. And 1938 was the year in which the technology fully changed. Now electric typewriter came in market and the speed of technology was also increased. Their quality also increased. Now we are able to write the content in different font types also. So it was the history of your typewriter technology. Next part is that is we are going to discuss, according to your syllabus, importance of typewriter technology. Why it is important? It means importance of typewriter, why it is mandatory to use the typewriter technology. So first importance, let me tell, the typewriter is used for the purpose of providing millions of jobs. A person will be able to get the job very easily if he is having a skill of typewriter technology. Provide millions of jobs. Second, reduce the pen work. Reduce the pen work. And third one, increase in speed and accuracy. Your quality of typing was good and accuracy was more. Save time. And the major point, it is a desired skill that is required in current scenario. You should have a little bit knowledge of typewriter technology. And sixth one, it provides jobs to the blind people also. Blind people will also be able to get the job with the help of typewriter technology. And the more point, it provides more concentration. We can work with a good quality with a more concentration. So these are the basic importance of your typewriter technology. Due to that, it is mandatory to use the technology. After next topic, that is related to the categories of typewriter. So typewriter are categorized in 5 types of typewriter. So typewriters are categorized in 5 categories. First one is standard, second noiseless, third is portable, fourth is electric, fifth one is electronic typewriter. Standard typewriter contains some standard features. The features can be, it contains 4 rows structure. Second thing, standard typewriter use the similar order of keys. No change in order of keys, it will be similar order. And third point, standard typewriter contains a one shift key also for writing the caps letter. And one more point, standard typewriter having the all basic features that are required for typing a specific document. Afterward, noiseless. Noiseless typewriter is having one additional feature. It will produce less noise due to the concept of pressure printing. Now question can be asked, which type of printing method is used in noiseless? The method that is used is known as pressure printing method. It came in 1925. Next, portable typewriter has the capability to pick the machine from one location to another location. It came in 1931. The main purpose of portable typewriter is to reduce the weight and to reduce the size of typewriter, so a user can easily port the machine from one office to the another office. And it is having all the features of standard and noiseless typewriter. After the electric typewriter came in market, electric typewriter used the concept of electric technology, so speed was getting more faster. It also used the concept of golf ball. Golf ball is used for the purpose of changing different types of fonts. We can write in different font size, font style. This is the major feature of your electric typewriter. There is no need to rotate the machine from left to right or right to left side, and very light in weight, and it provides a good quality typing. The operator will never be tired, and a quality product will be produced. It means neat and clean work can be produced with a specific electric typewriter. And one more point, we can easily type mathematical formulas also. These all are the features of electric typewriter. At last, electronic typewriter. It is a type of technology in which variety of features like paper feeding, margins, tables, printing, cartridge return, so many features are included. Like it is also having a storage memory to store the data for future. That data, similar data, can be used in future also. And it can provide multiple types of font size, font style. Even we can type in multiple languages also. Either we can write in Hindi or English. Two types of language support was there in case of electronic typewriter. And the major point, we can also correct the errors on one paper in one time. So it will also help to correct the errors. We can delete it, we can edit it very easily. These are some major features of your electric typewriter. So it is all about your typewriter technology and different types of typewriter. What is computer? You know very well. It is a machine that will work on the basis of electronic system that will accept input from user, processing on input, generate the output, and display the output on a computer screen. While laptop is having all such features, excluding two more features. Laptop is a portable machine. Laptop can work for a longer time without a power supply. It can provide a backup up to 2 to 3 hours supply. So it is very easy to port from one office to another office. So it is all about your unit 1 of typography part B. So dear students, if you are facing any doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 111 8890. You can contact me anytime. So thank you. Have a nice day for this session. Thank you so much.